Hello everyone. I know that deep learning is a very complex topic, but we are going to simplify it today. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that focuses on training artificial neural networks with multiple layers to learn and make predictions or decisions. Here's a detailed overview of deep learning. Neural networks. At the heart of deep learning are artificial neural networks, which are computational models inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. A neural network consists of interconnected layers of artificial neurons, also known as nodes or units, that process and transmit information. Deep neural networks. Deep learning refers to neural networks with multiple hidden layers between the input and output layers. Traditional neural networks have one or two hidden layers, while deep neural networks can have tens or hundreds of hidden layers. Deep architectures enable the network to learn complex representations and hierarchies of features, leading to more accurate and sophisticated predictions. Activation functions. Activation functions introduce nonlinearities to neural networks, allowing them to learn complex relationships between inputs and outputs. Common activation functions include the sigmoid, tan, and rectified linear unit, ReLU. ReLU is widely used in deep learning due to its simplicity and effectiveness. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, are primarily used for computer vision tasks, such as image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. They leverage convolutional layers to extract spatial hierarchies of features from images and pooling layers to reduce spatial dimensions. CNNs have achieved groundbreaking results in tasks like image recognition and analysis. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs. RNNs are designed to process sequential data, such as time series, speech, and text. They have loops within their architecture that allow information to persist across different time steps, making them capable of capturing temporal dependencies. Long short-term memory, LSTM, and gated recurrent units, GRU, are popular variants of RNNs that address the vanishing gradient problem and enable better long-term memory retention. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. GANs consist of two components, a generator network and a discriminator network, competing against each other in a game-like setting. GANs are used for generative modeling tasks, such as creating realistic images, music, and text. Through iterative training, GANs generate increasingly realistic outputs.
Subscribe to Creative Life for Part 2. Thank you for your support to this channel. We will be coming soon with an exciting video soon.